sarvāpadbhyo harer nāma,
sarvāpadbhyo harer nāma,
rūpa-yānāyudhāni,
rūpa-yānāyudhāni,
buddhīndriya-manaḥ-prāṇān,
buddhīndriya-manaḥ-prāṇān,
pāntu pārṣada-bhūṣaṇāḥ,
pāntu pārṣada-bhūṣaṇāḥ.
May the Supreme Personality of Godhead's holy name, His transcendental forms, His carriers, and all weapons decorating Him as personal associates protect our intelligence, senses, mind, and life airs from all dangers. So very nice. When you want protection, we should seek all-round protection. Okay? Nothing wrong to seek protection from the Lord because He is a protector. The 6 items of surrender. What are the 6 items of surrender? One item is we only desire what Krishna wants. Second item is don't desire what Krishna does not want. Third item is Krishna is a maintainer. Fourth is Krishna is a protector. Fifth is always be meek and humble in front of the Lord. And sixth, have no desire other than desire of the Lord. So these 6 are our surrender. Correct? Trying to surrender means these 6 elements should be there. I am Sharanagati. What is Sharanagati? We can speak big philosophy, then eating meat, drinking wine. What Sharanagati you are having? You cannot understand anything. If you want to understand something, then you have to obey. Atha Shri Krishna Nama Adi Na Bhaved Graham Indriye Sevon Mukhe Jivado Smayavema Spurati Adaha. Krishna will personally reveal everything. Provided what we do if we surrender to Him. Okay? If we become an instrument in His hand, He will reveal everything. So here we see the example of in the Bhagavatam that the prayers are being offered to the Lord. Who is offering prayers? Vishwarupa on behalf of Devatas. He has become the priest. Priest, what does a priest do? Priest will offer prayers on your behalf to the Lord. That's why we say, no, people, please pray for me. That's the business of the priest. Correct? He does arti on your behalf. Correct? You go to temple, please can you do arti? He does the arti on your behalf. Correct? He takes sankalpa, everything on your behalf. And he says, please pray to the Lord. So he will chant some mantras and pray for you to the Lord. The same way Vishwarupa is here offering prayers to the Lord on behalf of the Devatas. And it's very interesting, I told you in the last time also, when I thought there will be some kavacha, this is a very Narayana kavacha being given. I thought Narayana kavacha will be some complicated mantra. Nothing. It's so simple. Very simple. What is he saying? Each weapon of the Lord is meditating. May Sudarshan Chakra protect me. Make the sword of the Lord protect me. And each weapon is praying as a person. So Prabhupada is commenting that actually around Krishna in the spiritual world, everything is spiritual. There is nothing material in the spiritual world. Everything is spiritual. Krishna's garland is spiritual. Krishna's dress is spiritual. Krishna's jewels are spiritual. Krishna's weapons are spiritual. Spiritual means they are conscious. Not like in material world. Material world happens. Something is not conscious. Matter. In the spiritual world, there is no ignorance. Actually, there is no matter. When consciousness is not developed, that is material. In the spiritual world, everything conscious is fully developed. Fully developed. Consciousness is fully developed in the spiritual world. Everything is fully developed. Nothing is undeveloped there. So therefore, everything is fully conscious in the spiritual world. And then what is happening is that different entities, they are doing service. Different living entities are doing service. Shankha, Chakra, Gada, Padma. So he is offering prayers. And not only the Shankha, Chakra, Gada, Padma, Krishna also has the sword and the club and the bow and everything is praying to the carrier of the Lord, Garuda. Everybody is conscious. Here we go in an aircraft, it is not conscious. Garuda is fully conscious. How much more pleasurable it is. Right? Krishna says, take me. And it takes Krishna. And it's extremely powerful. Sometimes when Krishna has it's a war time, he also attacks. The Krishna books narrates, Krishna Bhagavatam, in the Krishna Leela, that when Krishna attacked one of the demons called Bhaumasura, or also known as Narkasura. When Krishna attacked this demon, he was protecting, somebody was protecting him. A three-headed demon called Mura was protecting him. Okay? And he was attacking Garuda. So Garuda was going in with his nails. There were a lot of elephants he was having. So Garuda was going with the nails, irritating the elephants from the top. He has big size, plucking. And the elephants were running here, there. So he attacked Garuda. So Garuda also participates in the war also for the Lord many times. And he has many interesting pastimes, many interesting pastimes. He is a great servant of the Lord. The Kali also was punished by him. Therefore Kaliya ran from Garuda's fear. So there are so many pastimes. And there are the other points are there. So each one of them, Sudarshan Chakra also, he is given the service of protection. He travels through the universe in all directions. And is more powerful than the sun itself. It's an extremely powerful weapon of the Lord. So all of them are persons. And there is nothing wrong to pray to them. Nothing wrong to pray to them. Please protect us. And that's what he's doing. And very interesting, that is Narayana Kavacha. What is he doing in this whole Narayana Kavacha? Look, different incarnations of the Lord, different weapons of the Lord, carrier of the Lord, vehicles of the Lord, Garuda. He's praying, please protect me. So nice. Okay, so constantly, somebody asked Srila Prabhupada, should we pray to the Lord? So Prabhupada says something very interesting. That is our only business. Only business. What is our only business to? Constantly we are dependent on the protection of the Lord. Okay? This is the nature of the living entity. The living entity isn't disturbance in the material world. It's in a great danger. Padam yat vipadam natesham. So how it should protect itself? Constantly seek protection. Never even by mistake you can think you can protect yourself. True. Rakhe Krishna mare Krishna rakhe ke. If you want to protect yourself, then Krishna will give you protection. It's not that God help those who help themselves. You be careful. I am a devotee of Krishna, I'll walk in the middle of the road. You will create anxiety for Krishna. Correct? Krishna wants to protect you and you are creating anxiety for him. Correct? So much work now Krishna has to do. Just like a small child. He knows a mother is protecting me and he starts walking in the middle of the road. He is creating a big anxiety for the mother. True? She has to run around in the whole place. That is one part. The second part is that, you see, not only he asked for the protection of the body, he is also asked for the protection of the mind and intelligence. This is very important. Actually, more than protection of the body, we should seek protection of the mind and intelligence. Intelligence is the next door neighbor to the soul. Shri Radha Govinda ki. Intelligence is the next door neighbor of the soul. So, the intelligence, if it becomes polluted, it starts planning sense gratification. Oh, this way I'll enjoy. Oh, this way I'll enjoy. True? That's a problem with the intelligence. It continuously keeps planning sinful activities. So you have to be, the maximum guard it has to be through the intelligence. And then the mind. The mind has to be protected. It becomes filled with varieties of desires. Prabhupada says perfection of intelligence is that you should understand the Lord is present everywhere. That is, I say, perfection of thinking, feeling and willing. That is the discrimination of the mind. Mind has three activities. What are they? Thinking, feeling, willing. Yeah, for the mind now. Let us focus on the intelligence later. So mind has three activities: thinking, feeling and willing in all the stages. You constantly meditate. The Lord is present in every atom. He is present even in my heart. And also always remember, sometimes I feel, what can I do? It is not possible for me to fight against Maya. There are never an exam will come which is more than your capacity. It is not possible. Krishna does not do like that. In a normal state of affairs, we get exams sometimes which is beyond. I have not prepared that much. I went to college and suddenly surprise quiz. I have not prepared that much. This is very tough. You get sometimes exam. Prepare madilla tumba tough exam madidare. But Maya does not make a mistake. He gives you exam exactly what you can pass. That brings excitement. You can always pass. What is the point of giving an exam which you cannot pass? Suppose you get an exam like Haridas Thakur. Night you are sleeping and Apsara comes and says, I want to embrace you. You will faint immediately. Can you pass it? You will fail immediately. You will fail that exam. Correct? Koi chance illa. Immediate fail. But Haridas Thakur got that exam and he passed. And when you pass an exam, just like a child comes back home with 10 by 10 marks, parents are very happy. Oh, my son is very intelligent. He's doing very well. Yesterday I met somebody. My grandson is doing very well. They're so happy. The same way, every time you get an exam and you pass, Guru Krishna smile. Oh, wonderful. And when you fail, they cry. Che. Correct? Just a child comes back home. What happened? Mama, again I failed today. Oof. They are happy or they are sad? Now, in the normal examination, there can be a mistake. If the child is 1 year old, you give him an examination of a PhD, definitely he is going to fail. Teacher can make a mistake like that. But child doesn't know, you give an examination like that. But Maya does not make a mistake. Never a mistake. It's exact. Always it is in your capacity to pass. And what is the pass and fail? Always remember Krishna, never forget Krishna. That is the exam of Maya. That's all. And for that, to bring you to the highest level, just like Ramananda Rai or Haridas Thakur, we can't even imagine the kind of mind was so fixed in Krishna's lotus feet. Ramananda Rai was at Jagannath temple and he was instructing girls to dance for Lord Jagannatha. So somebody went, what is that Lord Chaitanya? He is instructing and guiding girls how to dance, create a dance for the pleasure of the Lord. Previously, all the dances were for the pleasure of the Lord. Not like today. This is all monkey dance. It looks also so ugly. Like that. So ugly it looks actually. No sober person can even watch that. And so unfortunate it is, first they watch this monkey dance on the TV or in the movies, and then they imitate at home. Or in the college they have festivals, monkey dance. What is this dance? You look at the Vedic dances, so beautiful, so pleasing to see. It will never agitate your senses. It will always feel so pleasing. True? And always it is some pastime of the Lord. But you can't even, these monkeys cannot, these dances take years to learn. Monkey dance is 5 minutes, anybody can do. And not only that, nowadays they do it in public, in mass. They call it flash dance. Some 500 people will collect together like this, like this, like this. What is this nonsense? Are you animal or what? Chillad. Correct? What is a chillad? Canada. Such obnoxious. People have no brain actually. No brain. They choose third-rate people and watch them whole day dancing. That is their movies. So therefore, we should protect our intelligence. The mind. I'm talking about mind now. So how do you protect your mind? The perfection. You should always understand that I have to, every moment, I have to accept or reject. Accept or reject. Sankalpa, vikalpa. That is the nature of the mind. But you have no strength to reject thing which is not favorable Krishna consciousness, accept thing which is favorable, reject which is not favorable. You have no strength. We should always know, never Maya makes a mistake. It will never give you an exam which you cannot pass. At every opportunity it gives. Therefore Prabhupada says, if the mind is harassing you, chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. No power of Maya can stand in front of it. You think Maya can stand? No. What can I do? I am too degraded. Sir, Krishna is very powerful. Prabhupada says, let the war start. Let the war start. Don't worry, Krishna will come out victorious. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. So let us start the war. Chalo, aa jao, yuddha, aa jao. Just like Kshatriyas are there, no? Waiting. You want to fight? Huh? Come on. So similarly, Maya says, you want to fight? Huh? Come on. Hare Krishna. Maya will run away. Just like that, and so many examples are there. It is said, any place the holy name is chanted, all these things we always are hearing, all the inauspicious living entities vanish away from this. They cannot stay there. So in the mind also, they are like inauspicious entities only. Correct? We can symbolize them. All the crazy desires are like bhuta pretas. Prabhupada says, people are behaving as if they are haunted. Correct? So what can be done? What you should do? Protect. How do you protect yourself? Take shelter of Krishna. Take it. Then another thing is that mind can be protected like that. Intelligence can protect the mind. But then our intelligence at this time is also become very weak. So intelligence becomes sharp in good association. Therefore, you should read Prabhupada books every day, 1 hour. Prabhupada said, anybody chants 16 rounds will never fall down. Mala will protect him. Another thing, the reading. If somebody reads my books 1 hour every day, he will also not fall down. Okay, why? What is the reason? Because when you are chanting, you are experiencing higher pleasure. How will you fall down? And holy name is not different from Krishna. Just like when you give an exam, you have to read the textbook, no? If you read textbook, you'll pass exam. You don't read textbook, you'll fail. So if you want to pass the Maya's exam, which is continuously testing our determination to serve Krishna, we should every day read for 1 hour Prabhupada. Save some time and read. Attentively hear. What is going to happen now? Intelligence is going to become sharp. Oh, very sharp. Just like Maya business is only these 4. Intoxication, gambling, illicit sex, meat. These are the 4 troubles Maya brings to you. Chick, you can cut off. Intelligence is sharp. Therefore, Prabhupada says in the Bhagavad Gita, with the sword of knowledge, we should cut off all the tendencies for sense gratification. How you should cut off? With the sword of knowledge. Okay? So this is very, very nice that we have an opportunity here, that we protect ourselves, so protect the body, protect the mind, and protect the intelligence. Most of the people are only looking for some comforts of the body. They're animals, monkeys. But an intelligent person should understand that actually my protection is not important in the body. What is more important is the mind and intelligence. If my mind is protected at Krishna's lotus feet, even if I, God forbid, I lose a hand, take it, my Lord Krishna. But not, please don't take away my determination to serve you. Let that not go away. Other things, whatever you want, my Lord, I'll leave it to you. If you sincerely take shelter of the holy name of the Lord, don't take it for granted. Definitely holy name will protect us. We also need protection. And in Kali Yuga, the primary avatara of the Lord, Kali Kale Nāma Avatara, the primary manifestation of the Lord which should invoke a protection is the holy name of the Lord. Srila Prabhupada ki, Srimad Bhagavatam ki.
Namaste Saraswati Devi Gauravani Pracharini Nirvishesha Sunyavadi pārṣada-bhūṣaṇāḥ Sarvāpadbhyo Gauravani Pracharini Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Srivasadi Gaura Krishna, Krishna